Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and there is a little fact that, or a component of programming that we have not touched on, and one of the next methods we're about to look at is going to have a ton of these, so I want to make sure that we really wrap our head around it. Attributes. So, all right, we have all kinds of terminology. We have modules, we have functions, we have methods. Now, an attribute, what that is that is basically, it is a value. So let's just, and we don't have any parentheses with it, so it's not a function or a method, it's an attribute. So a perfect example of an attribute is the pi. So when we call math from the math module and we call pi, this is the attribute, that it's the value associated with, because this is basically a variable. So I'll give you another perfect example. You remember when we did our class, we looked at, let me copy this, paste this. So all right, we did, let's get rid of that. Sorry, we don't need that anymore. So all right, we ran this, and then direct, and then we did, it was an 8 by 6. So then we had that print out, but when I want the length, this is the attribute. This is the value associated to length to this object. And I'll give you one more. Let's close this. All right. Shopping list. So file, open shopping list.txt. Forgot to make it a string. Shopping list.txt, and then let's close this, run it. So file, that's my file, and so now file dot closed. So this is an example of, this is the attribute, and that attribute is false. That's value. Is the file closed? No, because now here's going to be a method on it. File dot close. So now I pull up file dot close, the attribute. We just changed the attribute. This method changes that value from a false boolean to a true. So that attribute changed. So I wanted to make sure that we had covered this. And this is just one of those little subtle things that get glossed over in other areas. But what we do here is we do one piece at a time. Attributes, what are they? They are a specific value associated to an object. So all right, so there we go. Don't forget to click that like button if this is the type of video you are liking, because you guys are doing an awesome job and I really appreciate that. And also, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And the most important part of that is the notification bell, because I don't want you missing anything. And also, my favorite part of all these videos are the comments, questions, and my absolute favorite, the video requests. So if you have any one of those, please put it down in the comment section, and I'll get right to it. I have the notifications on all the time, and you guys are really doing an awesome job with the questions. Super awesome questions, really helping me lead this channel in the way we need to go. So thanks for watching as always. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.